We come now to the piece de resistance. Ribosome. 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 Universal ribosome. Ribosomes link the genotype to the phenotype. Ribosomes are, at one and the same time, essential and complicated. Ribosome. Complicated. What does it mean that ribosomes are universal? It means that every single cell has ribosomes. There are no cells that lack them. Ribosomes are essential since they alone are capable of crafting protein. And without protein, there can be no life. Ribosome. How do ribosomes link the genotype to the phenotype? Gene expression requires transcription of the information stored in the DNA of genes into RNA. These RNA transcripts of genes are called messenger RNA. Each messenger RNA, like the gene of which it is a transcript, encodes a sequence of amino acids in a protein. Messenger RNAs are collinear with the DNA in genes. The messenger RNA binds to a ribosome. The ribosome stitches together a sequence of amino acids according to the sequence encrypted in the messenger RNA. The stitching is done just like a sewing machine might do it, and with great speed. The ribosome makes about 30 peptide bonds per second. Peptide bonds link amino acids in protein. There are, in human cells, about 1 million ribosomes. Ribosomes are complicated. They have 2 separate subunits, composed in all of 3 or 4 molecules of RNA and 50 to 90 proteins, depending on the species. In human cells, the ribosomes have 4 molecules of RNA and 79 proteins. What are the problems concerning the ribosomes that entertain us? With respect to their structure, we would like to know the exact coordinates of each of the RNA and protein molecules, and eventually of each of the atoms in the molecule. With regard to function, we hope to use the structure to provide a coherent molecular account of how the ribosome participates in the synthesis of a protein. There are 2 important, outstanding, function-related problems. The first is the chemical details of how a peptide bond is made. That is, how the amino acids are linked. And the second is how chemical energy is transduced to give mechanical movement, called translocation. As each amino acid is added to the growing nascent protein chain, the messenger RNA and the ribosome must move one codon with respect to each other, so that the next codon